Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. As you can see, I'm not wearing eyebrows, but I did not fill out my brows because in today's video, as you can see, I will be doing my review and demo of the new Patrickta eyebrow wax. I also purchased the brush and one lip product. I have been using all three products for 3 days. I'm going to tell you my thoughts about them. So first things first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go right ahead. Alright, so this is the packaging. I couldn't find the unique carton, so this is the packaging. It's really nice. It gets dirty easily, so it's really nice. This one has 5 grams and also retails for $55. Not 55, sorry, $22 for 5 grams, so not bad at all. It's actually the right amount of product. This one and the clear are sold out from his website, Ulta and Cold Beauty, I think. So yeah, this is really good. Let me show you guys. Yeah, both bushes are sold out. So I got the tinted one. Let me read the information about this. Maximize the shape of your brows with this innovative defining wax. Strong yet flexible. If you upward stroke or of this formula tames and sets even the most stubborn brows into a perfectly pushed up, feathered and full look. Activate the formula with setting mist or water, but he recommended to use a setting mist. Brush a spool or firm brush into a pan to pick up a small amount of wax and brush through clean brows in outward motion shape as desired. And okay guys, so let me continue reading the benefits. Okay, so growth peptide to support healthy new growth, glycerin and olive oil to condition and soften and protect the brows and skin. So this is a glycerin base. So the first ingredient is glycerin, second aqua, water, sodium stearate, sodium oxalate, and some other things. So this is a glycerin base, but it doesn't feel soapy. It's not gonna give you like soapy look. Actually really nice and waxy. Gives you that waxy consistency, because I tried the soap brow before when it was like the it thing. I bought the soap. It was the orange soap. I bought it, I think, from Amazon. I tried it before. I think I did a video of that, and it did not work so well with my brows. It did not hold my brows very long, and it left me like white residues on my brows. And one time I used it and it was raining, my brows were bubbling a little bit, so it was embarrassing. So I'm really happy that Patrickta came out with, you know, air eyebrow wax. Although this is a glycerin base, like I said, it's not gonna give you soapy consistency. It's not gonna make your brows bubbly. It's actually, it lasts a long time, makes your brows really look nice. It doesn't feel like scrunchy or dry. It does feel kind of tacky for like 1 minute to 2, and after that it goes away. And this is really nice, guys. I have stubborn brows, stubborn Asian brows. So this one works really well, and I really love the brush with it. I love this spoolie. It works really good with this one. He recommended to use a makeup setting mist because it lasts longer than a setting mist or like water. Yeah, so, and also I have really thin brows, so he also said that to fill in your you have to fill in your brows. If you have bald spots, you have to fill in your brows with a eyebrow pencil. So I have one from this is the elf one. This was only $2. Fill in your bald spots first and then use the wax, and then you still can see like bald spots, use a eyeliner pen or eyebrow pen, sorry. The one that he recommended was the Glossier, because he said that if you use a gel for this, or gel and this one, the gel is gonna flake off. So you don't want that to happen. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, guys. So and if you have really thick brows, this one's also really good. Although it's a thin one, it doesn't look too dark like in the pan. It's actually really light. So I'm going to fill in my bald spots. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. Whoo, girl, I can read. Okay. Because my tailbone area, I don't have that many hairs. I'm going to spray this one, oh right, directly to the okay. Okay, and then okay, so then, oh my goodness, I also sprayed the mirror. Great. Okay, so I'm going to swirl my brush inside. And then I'm going to apply the Patrickta lip cream. This is in the shade She Secure. This is really creamy, very pigmented, and also very hydrating. It's not long lasting, it's not transfer proof, but I love how comfortable it is on the lips. So I'm going to apply the shade She Secure, my type of shade. This is my type of shade. It has the tingling effect on the lips. I highly recommend getting all three products, and let me know if you have tried Patrickta's new makeup products, and be safe everyone. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next one. Bye bye.